Hello, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be showing you how to do this highly requested hair tutorial in my updated makeup. You want to start off by sectioning your hair out the way that I have it right here. It's like a U-ish, V-ish shape. And the front part that's going to be laid up against your face. And then I'm doing the same thing that I did in one of my previous videos with my edges to lay them down. To speed up the process, I use these teddy bear fans to dry up my edges. Honestly, the hardest part about this hairstyle is really this part, trying to lay down this hair right here. This is the most important part. This is really what makes the hairstyle. Right here, I'm just putting lots of water because I really want that flat, real flat. And as y'all notice, the way that I laid that hair down in the front, I kind of covered like kind of part of my eyebrow. Well, I mean the part that I actually fill. I mentioned in my previous videos that I do take off like almost like half my eyebrow. I like to like change it up, and I'm still trying to figure out what shape I like on my face the best. But that's besides the point. So as y'all noticed, I'm really just trying to flatten my hair. I'm putting more product. That's up to y'all. Which type of products y'all like to use. What works best on me is the Gorilla Gel. It is key to just keep on brushing your hair as you keep fixing it, because there will be hairs that will be lifting up, at least for me. I use this type of hair tie. So now you want to make sure you grip your hair real tight and start tying your hair out. And I'm tying up my hair into a regular ponytail. I'm not doing it in no specific way or method, just into a regular ponytail. If y'all seen my previous videos on my hairstyles, y'all noticed that it's really similar hairstyles that I'm doing. It's really the same method. It's just a different form of the way that I'm putting my hair in that makes it into a different hairstyle, but just the same method, as in using the same type of product, scrunching it up, putting it into a bun. But this is just a low bun instead of a high bun, and it doesn't have bangs, but instead it's licked to the side and my edges are laid down. It is a struggle to put my hair in a whole ponytail with this long hair, but we finally did it. So now I just scrunch it up, and I'm going to put a hair tie on it so it can hold up all those curls, and I hairspray it. I didn't really show how to scrunch it up, but if y'all like to see a better demonstration, just go ahead and watch my previous video. And with my little straightener, and I curl my little side hairs, and I just curl them, and then I go in with my edge fixer by Kiss so I can lay that same hair down on my face, because I just love that look right there that it gives. I feel like it's really giving. After that, that is all for the hair. So I'm going to start off by putting some gel on my brows because I love the lemonade look. I've been doing that lately. Going with the spoolie, and I brush them up and brush them into my liking. To speed up the process, I go in with my teddy bear fan to dry up my eyebrows faster. Then I go in with my Maybelline concealer to conceal my under eye circles, and I don't really put it in any specific way. I'm going with my Believe DG foundation, and I put that all over my face. Can you believe that people don't believe when I tell them that I use that foundation and my makeup looks very flawless? But yeah, like DG makeup, don't sleep on it. I happen to use variety products of their makeup line, and I believe, look at that, believe. They believe. They believe right. Their makeup is pretty good. Now let me stop giving them free promotion. I put foundation on my forehead. I really love these sponges. They really blend out my foundation and everything so effortlessly, and I really love this better than a brush because it's so much easier to blend in my foundation and not blend it up against my edges. That is one of the hardest things to work with, I feel, when it comes to this glamming. I feel like two bases are perfect on me, so I then go in with my Maybelline Fit Me foundation and I put that on top. I layer it. I love how the two foundations combine. It doesn't feel too much, it just feels just right on my face, to my liking. And I forgot to mention that the first foundation is a little bit lighter and the second one is a little darker. I'm going in with my Maybelline pressed powder to set in my under eye concealer. For all over the face, I go in with my Airspun powder to set my foundation. Right now it's just all a matter of blending all of that. Then I go in with my Believe bronzer to bronze up my cheeks, and my Believe blush to put blush all over my cheeks to make them a little bit more pink. I love going in with my sponges to blend in everything that I have set on my face. It blends in any harsh lines or anything. So I lip line my lips with my NYX Downtown Beauty lip liner, and then I go in with Cheeky's NYX Lingerie lipstick. This shade is more like a baby doll pink. And then I go in with my LA Colors Pearl, Pink Pearl. I shaded my lips a little bit more with my lip liner just to give it more of a darker tone in the outer lips. And I put again Pink Pearl just to make it a little bit shinier. And this shade is like an iridescent sheer pink. I go ahead and put on mascara, and I filmed my eyebrows off camera, and I filmed this months ago, and my eyebrows have changed so much. I'm so glad I can look back and see the things that I don't like. In this video right now, I do not like how my eyebrows turned out, but this is the finished look. Thank you for watching.